Good morning, students. The next article is the Landy interval rule. This is important article for examination. What is the Landy interval rule? The statement of this rule is for a given triplet, that is for given S and L, capital L, each fine structure term difference, each fine structure term difference is proportional to the larger of the two j values associated with it. That is the separation in the energy of adjacent levels of a multiplet is proportional to the total angular momentum quantum number of the level of higher energy This prediction is called the Landy interval rule. Separation means we have to already studied tau 3 and tau 4. The rule is helpful for to determine the values of G that are to be assigned to various observed level. This rule is widely used in atomic physics. In LS coupling, we have already seen tau 3 plus tau 4 give the separation among the component of triplet, and it is given by tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half A into capital J into J plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 minus S into S plus 1. This is equation number 1. Let the adjacent term in a given triplet have J values and J plus 1. Okay. Therefore, the term difference minus delta T is equal to 1 half A into in bracket J plus 1 into J plus 2 minus L into L plus 1 minus S into S plus 1 minus of 1 half A into J plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 minus S into S plus 1. Solve this equation. Common term, same term will be common, 1 by 2 into A minus of this minus this is the common term. The remaining term we have to calculate. Solve this equation. J plus 1 into j plus 2. J square plus 2j plus 1j plus 2. This same term will be cancelled out and remaining term will be written as j into j plus 1 into j plus 2 minus j into j plus 1. This minus delta t and minus 1 by 2 get positive. Therefore, delta t is equal to a into j plus 1. Solve this equation. J square plus 2j plus 1j plus 2. The same term will be cancelled out. Remaining term will be a into j plus 1. This is the Landé interval rule and this is equation number 2. The interval are thus proportional to the larger j value. Now in this lecture we have to see the example of Landé interval rule or graphical representation of Landé interval rule. For example, for 3D terms, therefore S is equal to 1 because of triplets, L is equal to 2 and the value of j is equal to 1, 2, 3. These are the values. Put these values in this equation. L minus mod of L minus S 2 mod of L plus S. We have to find the values of j using this equation. The components of given triplets are for the given triplet are 3D1 because of values of j, 3D1, 3D2, 3D3. These are the components of given triplet. S is equal to 1 and L is equal to 2. Therefore, now for first term 3D1, using this formula tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to a by 2 or 1 by 2. A by 2 j into j plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 minus S into S plus 1. Put the values. A by 2, what is the value of j? 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 minus what is the value of L? 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. What is the value of S? Minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Calculate this equation. The answers are minus 3a. This is equation number 1. This is for 3D1 term. Now for second term 3D2. Putting the values of same formula, a by 2 in bracket 6 minus 6 minus 2. Simply answer is minus a. This is equation number 2. Now for 3D3, same formula, a by 2 in bracket 12 minus 6 minus 2. 12 minus 6 a by 2. 12 minus 6 6 minus 2. Sorry, 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. Okay, write this value again. A by 2, 12 minus 8. What is the value of? Only 2a. This is t 3d 3 term. This is equation number 3. First minus 3a, second one minus a, and third one 2a. Now we have to draw the graphical representation of lambda interval rule using these values. The values, this is the vector center point or middle point. This is first vector, value is 2a, we have to already got because of upper side. Then second minus a, the value is minus a. And then third one is the value is minus 3a. This term is 3d1, this term is 3d2, and this is 3d3 term. Minus 3a minus a and plus 2a. Joining this vector, this is the graphical representation of Landé interval rule for 3D term.